everything you need to know before watching the movie Odyssey. First things first, who is Odysseus? Odysseus is the king of Ithaca, and he is known for his intelligence, his guile, his versatility. He is basically the mastermind behind the Trojan War. Now, what is the Trojan War? It's a sunny day, and we don't step out without sunscreen. The Trojan War was one of the main events in the Greek mythology. Paris, who is the prince of Troy, in very lame terms, flees with Helen, who is supposedly the most beautiful woman on earth and is also the wife of Menelaus. That leads to Agamemnon, who is the younger brother of Menelaus, to start a war to go and bring back Helen from Troy. Says the king of Ithaca has already been told, because it's a prophecy, that if he goes to Troy to fight Agamemnon's war, which is not technically Agamemnon's war, but whatever, if he goes to fight in the Trojan War, he might not come back home for a very long time. So he tries to fake lunacy and not participate in the war. Also, the one who ends up recruiting Achilles, he's the one who builds that huge horse as an offering to the gods, which eventually the Trojans welcome into their wall. Now, once the Trojan War is won and he leaves from Troy to go home, is when the exact story, the Odysseus, starts. Why it took him so long, when essentially it was, he could have simply taken the same route he took to come to Troy from Ithaca, his island. But there are a few factors here at play. Only row so much at a time, and also especially with the winds, the storms, they kept getting derailed. Number two, and I feel that is a much more important point than any other, was that he was cursed by Poseidon, who is literally the god of sea, storms, earthquakes, and horses. And then for a while, Athena is also upset with him, even though she is a strong supporter of Odysseus. Then the son of god Helios is also not happy with him at one point. All the places he did end up at, let's just say he was not a very good guest. Yeah, the journey is what you will essentially see in the movie. Apart from his journey, the movie also follows how back at Ithaca, Penelope, his wife, and Telemachus, his son, who's never seen his father because he was very young when he left, are fighting all these suitors, all these people who want to take over his kingdom, his island. Tale of Odysseus is full of giants, cyclops, witches, curses, magic, underworld, sirens, gods. So be sure